One of the prettiest edible flowers, Nasturtium, also known as monk's cress or Indian cress. I honestly think the name Nasturtium does not match such a delicate flower. The name has been given to the plant just because it shares the same spicy peppery taste as watercress, but it actually belongs to a completely different plant family. Every part of this plant is edible. Flowers, leaves, and seed pods, full of healthy nutrition and loaded with vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants. It's super beneficial for the immune system and with lots of anti-inflammatory benefits. If you like watercress or radishes, nasturtiums have a similar peppery flavor. They are best eaten raw, mixed in salads, especially the vibrant flowers that could make every plate look like a 5-star meal if used as decoration or garnish. You can even make pesto or herbal butter of them. Even if you don't have a garden, nasturtiums can be grown in a container on your balcony, like this here. I also have them in my garden, and unlike other flowers, they actually thrive in poor to average soil and don't need fertilizer. It will produce lush foliage but not many flowers. They do best in full sun but can also tolerate partial shade. Regular watering and pruning the dead flowers will extend the blossoming period. Nasturtiums are tender perennials, but are grown as annuals in regions with cold winters. They self-seed so easily. If the birds don't eat the seeds, they will reappear in the garden without needing to be replanted. Nasturtiums are also very beneficial in the garden as companion plants, primarily acting as a trap crop, keeping pests away from your veggies. Their strong scent will also repel harmful insects. If you want to sacrifice your nasturtiums as a trap crop, plant them next to your cucumbers, tomatoes, peppers, cabbage, and broccoli, and they will help grow healthier veggies. Or just grow them for their beauty on your balcony. It's great to enjoy your coffee or tea on a balcony full of flowers like this.